Pini Pirthe Det Ki Ong Pi Atum An International Ulo Lake Arkoi Isia Tarik ke Ningkan Kimi Pusi Hok Det Lo Ilitum Karbi Atum Ta Ba Inglong Raat Atum Anta Ilitum Ta Ningkan Kimi Pu Hok Nunang Kok Akhema Iliketok Anta Surihinira Enkoira Ke Thom Pusi Ilitok Bom Nang Kok Nasi La Ningkan Kimi Hempuar Nam Ilitum Hanape Tek Dun Long Apot Kadowe Karbi Lapen Inglong Raat Atum An Munit Atum Han Anseta Nelitum APHLC Ahin Pen Kardom Pilo Ningkang Sam Lapen Ningkeme Kardom Pilo Ningkan Kimi Kardom Ning Thelo Ilitum Non Gewang Jen Ningkan La Gewang Aningkan Lo Wang Tang Lo Pini Isia Tarik Lo Surihinira Enkoira Ke Thom Ningkan Ilitum Inglong Raat Atum Anta Mesen Pensi Kaching Hon Pen Kaching Jenso Pen Kaching Rap Seroi Pensi Ilitum Ningkan Akang Kim Ta Ilitum Claim Tekpo Do Tekpo Jalang Tekpo Pusi Kadoe Panta Ning Thelo Pen Nilitum APHLC Ahin Pen Ke Choning Rila Nanglitum Kado Kaveda Kisung Le Potame Jat Le Positame Ilitum Ining Mesen Pen Ilitum Ke Kai Ke Thon Dun Tekji La Pen Ke Ke Song Dun Tekji Apan Le Ilitum Ning Kehurana La Pen Lahin Kerap Seroy Lana Kardom January 1st has been taken as a New Year Day internationally. We may have a different New Year for different community, different tribe, different nation. However, we'll have to write everything from today and talk everything. In talking also, in writing also, we'll have to mention 2023, the year 2023. It's a new year. So in this new year, from APHLC, I as the president of APHLC, wish all of you a happy and prosperous new year. Thank you. January 1 Tarik, International Day, International Hokolor Karone, Prithivi Jiman, Desh Ase, Besi Bhage Aji, Notun Bosor Boli, Mani Loisu, Ami APHLC Halor Pora, এই নতুন বছৰৰ শুভেচ্ছা সকলোকে জনাইছো নমস্কাৰ